What if you had a list that you use frequently? For example, this list of departments. You find yourself typing the list over and over. One choice is you could open this file and copy and paste every time, or you could create what's called a custom list that you can access whenever you want. You only have to create the custom list once, and it will be available for use in all of your workbooks on that computer. If you already have this list available, you can select it. Otherwise, you should be prepared to type it out. Simply drag over the list, then go to your File tab, and down to Options. On the left-hand side, click on Advanced. Finally, scroll to the bottom until you see the button Edit Custom Lists and click. On the left-hand side, you can see that Excel already has some custom lists built in for the months and the weeks. But we're going to create our own custom list. If we didn't already have our list highlighted, we'd be typing it into the List Entries box. But since it is highlighted, all we have to do is click the Import button. Click OK, and OK again. Now we don't need the original list, so we can delete it. I'm going to go to a new sheet to test out our custom list. All I have to do is type the name of one of the departments, press Enter, click back on the department, and drag the fill handle as far as I want, and there's my list. There is another use for a custom list. We have a list here that I would like sorted a specific way, with the t-shirts in order of size, not alphabetically. I've already created a custom list for the t-shirts. I'll place my cursor anywhere in column D, then I'll go to my data ribbon, and I'll click the Sort button. We want to sort by the t-shirt size column, but not in order from A to Z. I want to sort by my custom list. There's my t-shirt custom list, and I'll click OK, and OK again. There you go, sorted by size. So here are two uses for custom lists. We used it to create a list that we frequently have to type, and we used it to create a custom sort. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to discover many more tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a thing. And if you'd like information on how to attend one of our courses or speak with someone about software consulting or database support, hang tight and the information will pop up on your screen.